In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out in Slack. If you need to sign out of your Slack account, the process is very quick and only takes a few clicks. This can be useful if you're using a shared computer, switching between accounts, or simply want to end your session for privacy and security. To begin, look at the lower left corner of the Slack window. There, you'll see your profile area. Go ahead and click on your profile. This opens the account menu where Slack keeps several personal settings and account-related actions. If you're not sure you're in the right place, look for the section that represents your account identity in the sidebar area. Once the menu appears, find the option labeled Sign Out and click on it. This tells Slack that you want to log out of the current account. Depending on your version of Slack, or whether you're using the desktop app or browser version, the wording and placement may look slightly different, but the Sign Out option is typically easy to spot in the profile menu. After that, Slack will usually ask you to confirm the action. This is a helpful safeguard so you don't accidentally sign yourself out with a single click. When the confirmation window appears, click on Confirm to finish logging out. At that point, you will be signed out of Slack. If you're using a shared or public device, logging out is an important final step to help protect your messages, notifications, and workspace access. If you plan to sign back in later, make sure you know which email address or sign-in method you normally use, so getting back into your account is smooth and easy. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that signing out only affects the current session you're using. If you're signed into Slack on another device, such as your phone or another computer, those sessions may remain active unless you sign out there as well. And that's all it takes. Click your profile in the lower left corner, choose Sign Out, and then click Confirm. It's a simple process, but it's a good habit whenever you're finished using Slack, especially on devices that other people can access. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you log out of Slack quickly and confidently.